Today, we will understand how to use the Custom AI Art Screensaver feature. First, press the Settings key on your remote control. Now, go to Screensaver and press the down key. Next, press the right key to select Custom AI Art, and then press OK. Once the page opens, select Create New. Now choose Describe Your Idea. Enter keywords based on the type of screensaver artwork you want to create. After entering the keywords, click on the arrow icon to generate the artwork. Please wait a few minutes while the AI generates the art. Once the artwork is ready, select the screensaver you like and choose Save and Done. Now, go back and open the Saved Art section. Finally, select Set All as Screensaver from the bottom of the screen. Your custom AI art screensaver setup is now complete.